How old are you?
I'm 55.
55.
Yes, sir.
Correct. What apartment is your cousin in?
Right there. Probably sleep. I'm going to get his ass up. Come get him early.
455 chicken. What's your last name?
Right.
Right.
I'm not no girl out.
Last name of Wright. William Robert Ida George Henry.
No, Kenneth Earl Wright.
William Robert Ida George Henry Tom. First name's going to be Kenneth. Be a black male. What's your date of birth?
March 1465.
3/14/65.
Okay, you saw me in the car, but I mean that's not reason for either.
No reason for me to what?
I mean, I guess it's not. I'm sitting in front of somebody's house.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning. It's dark out. Someone's sitting in a car.
Oh yeah, it could be. Yeah, but yeah,
right?
You're right.
I don't know you.
You're right, but I'm just gonna go in here and make sure I get my cigarettes and stuff together. That's all.
Okay. Well. What are you doing awake at 3 o'clock in the morning, man?
Man, I just came out, man. I'm gonna get ready to go to work, man.
Where do you work at?
I do my own. I spray cars. I do houses. I do parking lots.
And not at 3 o'clock in the morning, no?
Not 3 o'clock. I'm gonna get my crew there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you hold on to that?
Okay, thank you, sir. Yeah, I'm alright, man. Y'all been scaring me, man, for a while, man. Y'all been scaring me since y'all been doing a little crazy shit. Y'all been scaring the shit out of me.
Okay.
I'm just chilling, man. I ain't shit. Ain't nothing, man. Real talk.
Where you live at?
I stay behind Oaks, the new houses back there.
The Oaks, what? Apartments?
Oaks. No, I stay in the part house.
Go ahead.
I'm sure if I'm saying that to y'all. Come on, mister.
I'm just going to detain you for now. Okay?
Hey, man, what you I can't breathe. On the ground. I can't breathe. On the fucking ground. I can't breathe. Jamaica.
Behind your back.
Wait a minute.
Behind your back.
Wait a minute. What you hurt me? It hurt me, man.
Behind your back.
It hurt me. Hold on. I'm trying to.
If you don't stop, you're gonna get
I can't breathe.
Hey, put a handcuff.
Jamaica. Help, man. Jamaica, hate me, man. Trisha. You hurt me, man.
Put your hand behind your back.
You hurt me, man. Trisha.
Get your taser out.
For what, man? For what? You hurt me, man. Hate me, Trisha. Hate me, Trisha. They hurt me. Why they with me, Trisha? I ain't done nothing. I ain't done nothing to Trisha. For no reason, Trisha. I ain't done nothing to them, Trisha. Period. I ain't done nothing to them.
All right. You're under arrest, all right?
For what?
You have warrants. And now for...
why you didn't say that?
Well, you didn't give me a chance.
Because I asked you everything you want. They want me to see something on the tank. You tell me I know once enough. One for what?
I will need a supervisor.
One for what?
Heavy EMS around your teeth.
One for what, sir? Just take your boy's car, Trish.
Document my body cam off.
It's right there.
Yeah.
What's right there? What's right there, man?
Don't worry, man.
What the
It's a cap.
Man, y'all hurt me. My knees are, I got me all bloody, man.
Well, should have ran.
Yeah, why you bum rush me? I told you I was scared of y'all from the jump. You bum rush me. You just I was on the rest, you just bum rush me. Don't do that, man. You ain't how you doing. Ain't no professional move you just did. Okay. You just bum rush me.
All right, sir.
Not you under arrest, sir. No, not that, but you want to bum rush black man. All right. Okay. Wait. And you started hurting my man.
Yeah, well.
Go on do it then.
We just need you not to resist.
I ain't resisting. Go on do it then. Go on hurt me.
No, we have no desire to hurt you.
You been hurting me.
Just stay where you
Hurt me now. Choke me now. You been choking me a while ago.
No one was choking you.
Yeah, you was choking me. What, Trisha, get his name, Trisha. Get his name, Trisha. And his other name, too. Trisha. Get that name.
455. We're going to be
Get
at
that
the
name,
apartments
Trish.
on in the 600 block
All right,
of North 20th.
I ain't listening no more. Get that name, Trisha. Call a lawyer. Call a lawyer. Right now, they hurt the out of me. My back hurting like
a supervisor around?
Yeah. Better call the ambulance, what you need to do. You better get you better try to do.
Yes, we have an ambulance coming for me.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You gonna tell a lie. You wasn't choking me, was you? You wasn't choking me.
You
wasn't choking
we were
me.
controlling your head.
You
We didn't
choked
choke.
the out of me.
At no point did he choke you. You
You
never
a
the
lie.
ability to breathe.
Of course
Or
you gonna say.
talk.
Of course you gonna say the same thing. Real talk. You know, real talk about that. Ain't nothing real about that. Fuck real about that. Fuck real about that, y'all. Choke and shit. I mean, all these scars on me, y'all got on me. You don't care nothing about that. You just want a scar, brother. Put brother head on cement. Don't get brother head on cement. Look, it's not on my head. It ain't been not on my head because you put me on this cement. Look at my teeth still in my mouth. That's all right. Y'all gonna pay for this, huh? I see why they scared of y'all now. Y'all for no. All you had to do is say I want you're in the rest. All that bum rushing me, that ain't no cool move. I just told you right before that I'm scared the y'all. No, you gonna not gonna say, all right, you're in the rest. You gonna bum rush my. Man, get your hands off me, man. Y'all heard me. Get your hands off me. I ain't going nowhere.
My hand right here.
You hurt me. Get your hands off my. You hurt me.
Stop.
You hurt me, man.
He's not doing
I'm
anything
not
to you.
applying any pressure to you
It
whatsoever.
hurt, man. Your hand on me hurt, man. Don't hurt me then, man. Put your hand out hard. Put your knee in my back again.
No, I'm not gonna put my
Go
knee in
do
your
it.
back for no reason.
Shit, go on do it. Been doing crazy. Man, get out my pocket, man. Get in my pocket for.
It's a search incident to arrest.
Oh, yeah. Tell them y'all hurt the out of me too. Make sure I tell them that. Go on another one finna help y'all. Hurt me. He might be black. He might still hurt it. Oh man. You say you know you gonna sit back and law you talk to your ass. How you hurt me? Hey man, you hurt my hand, man.
No, move your hand.
You hurt my mother, but say move it then. I understand English. Shit, say move it then. Yeah.
Check him some more once we get him up.
All you want to.
Anything in the car you need to know about, sir?
No drugs, guns, bombs, anything that can stick us to Okay. Okay.
Why you pump my shit?
All right, sir, we're going to sit you up, okay?
Leave me.
Oh, you want to lay right there?
No, leave me. Y'all, I'm putting people because y'all, man, my mother is
Okay,
killing me.
we'll leave you there.
I hurt my back.
Until EMS gets here.
Leave me here.
Okay.
Got my head against the damn ground. Everything else.
Stay with her. Stay with her.
You want bum, miss, you hurt me, miss. You hurt me, miss.
How?
I just touched me, you hurt me. I'm so off. You must understand that they beat the shit out of me. Leave my back and choke the shit out of me and beat me.
Excuse me. So, are you related to him?
I'm his sister.
Okay.
I'm trying to, well, I'm on the phone with his daughter, and she's gonna call his girlfriend on this car.
Okay.
Yeah, she's gonna try to call her. Ronick.
Does she know that he's driving it?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. All right.
Most likely she do.
Okay. So he's sitting in the car. Real.
I'm recording.
That's fine. So he gets out, tries to separate himself from the vehicle. So I'm talking to him, wrote his name, multiple felony warrants, or a couple felony warrants out of Bell County.
Okay.
Possession of controlled substance. And I forget what the other one was. Well, I think that's the only one I think I remember hearing for the felony resisting. So